Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this reindeer antler rod in Fish It game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the reindeer antler rod skin looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can get this rod skin. If you want to get this rod skin, you need to join the Christmas event or the Christmas quest, and you need to finish your daily quest to earn candies. Okay, and once you have earned certain candies, you will unlock this reindeer antler rod skin. Okay, and if you want to equip the rod skin, just go to the rods menu and you can scroll all the way to the right and you will find this reindeer antler rod skin. And yeah, this is so cool guys. And then don't forget to complete your daily quest to get this rod skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the reindeer antler rod skin in Fish It game on Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!